In this project, we talk about renewable energy integration in Abu Dhabi. The sustainability is very important today because the ability of a process or system to continue functioning over time without degrading or becoming devalued. There are three pillars of sustainability. First, environmental sustainability, economic sustainability, and social sustainability. The second slide includes introduction to the UAE and its sustainability context. The United Arab Emirates, it consists of 7 emirates, start from Abu Dhabi, Dubai, Sharjah, Ajman, Al Quwain, Ras Al Khaimah, and Al Fujairah. The United Arab Emirates is known for its diverse landscape, including desert, mountains, and a long coastline. The United Arab Emirates has experienced rapid modernization and economic growth, particularly in cities like Abu Dhabi and Dubai. The country has a rich cultural heritage influenced by its Bedouin roots. The population is diverse, with a significant expatriate community contributing to its multicultural society and economy.
Importance of sustainability in UAE context. Resource scarcity. UAE is dealing with a lack of fresh water to handle this. They need to use sustainable methods to manage water, energy, and more. Economic diversification. UAE is moving away from relying on oil. It's important to take sustainable action to develop other economic sectors such as renewable energy and more. Climate change impact. The UAE is harmed by climate change, like higher temperature and rising sea levels. To deal with these problems, it's important to have sustainability plans to reduce these effects. Global reputation and responsibility. UAE being a global player knows it must have a positive impact on global sustainability and improve its international reputation. Tourism and attracting investments. Sustainability encourages eco-tourism and draws responsible investors who want to back environmentally friendly projects, improving the country's reputation and economy. Health and well-being. Putting sustainability first boosts public health and quality of life by cutting pollution, promoting green spaces, and ensuring a clean and sustainable environment for everyone in the area. And here, as you can see, this is the one of the most important projects which will increase renewable energy capacity in Abu Dhabi.
Government agency, private sectors, and civil society. Those are involved and stakeholders. The government agency like Ministry of Energy and Infrastructure and Abu Dhabi Sustainability Group. The private sector like renewable energy companies and investment firms. The civil society like environmental NGOs and community groups. Environmental impact assessment, reducing carbon emissions through increasing renewable energy adoption. The use of renewable energy sources such as solar, wind, and hydropower minimize carbon emissions, aiding in the transition to a low-carbon economy in the UAE and aligning with global climate goals. This shift also leads to improved air quality and
Preservation of natural resources by reducing reliance on non-renewable sources. Conservation of fossil fuel. Utilizing renewable energy help conserve finite fossil fuel reserve, ensuring their availability for critical applications. Future generations while reducing the ecological impact of extraction and consumption. Reduced water usage. Traditional power generation often requires sustainable amount of water for cooling and processing. Shifting to renewable energy resources reduces this demand, thus preserving precious water resources. Mitigation of land degradation. Extraction non-renewable energy resources often lead to land degradation, deforestation, and habitat destruction. Transitioning to renewable energy sources minimize these impacts, promoting sustainable land usage practices. Long-term energy security. By diversifying the energy mix and relying more on renewable, the UAE enhances its energy security by reducing vulnerability to supply disruptions and price fluctuation associated with non-renewable energy sources. This contributes to the overall sustainability and stability of the nation's energy sectors. Responsibility considerations. Job creation and skill development in the renewable energy sector. Employment opportunities. The renewable energy sector provides a significant number of jobs, ranging from manufacturing and installation to maintenance and operation of a renewable energy infrastructure. This creates employment opportunities across various skill levels and sectors of economy. Skill enhancement and training. As the renewable energy sector evolves, these growing needs for skilled professionals. This demand drive investment in training programs, educational courses, and vocational training, enhance the skill sets of individuals and promoting a specialized workforce. Entrepreneurship and innovation. The renewable energy industry fosters entrepreneurship, encouraging individuals to establish their businesses or start up in the sector. This entrepreneurship spirit drives innovation, leading to the development of new technologies and solutions, further fueling job creation and economic growth. Public awareness campaigns to promote sustainable energy use. Educating the masses. Public awareness campaigns play a vital role in educating individuals about the benefit of sustainable energy use, explaining the impact of their choices on the environment, economy, and society. Behavioral change. These campaigns aim to influence behavior by encouraging energy-saving practices, responsible consumption, and the adoption of renewable energy technologies. This in turn promotes the culture of sustainable and responsible energy use. Support and advocacy. Public awareness campaigns often advocate for policy changes and government incentives to promote sustainable energy adoption. They engage the public in advocating for favorable policies, creating a collective voice for a more sustainable energy future, and encouraging active participation in policy discussion and decisions.
Economic sustainability and profitability. The first point, job creation and economic growth. Renewable energy projects stimulate economic activity by creating jobs throughout their life cycle, from manufacturing and construction to operation and maintenance. This boosts local economies and contributes to overall economic growth. The second point, cost saving and energy security. Over time, renewable energy projects can lead to significant cost saving for consumers and businesses by reducing reliance on expensive imported fossil fuel. This enhances energy security, stabilizes energy prices, and mitigates the impact of global fuel price fluctuations. The third point, market competitiveness and innovation. Investing in renewable energy projects promotes the technological advancement and innovation, making renewable technologies more efficient and cost effective. This in turn fosters a competitive renewable energy market that benefits both the consumer and the economy. Challenges faced during implementation. Abu Dhabi Fund for Development finances renewable energy projects worth around $1.18 billion. Access to funding. Despite the Abu Dhabi Fund for Development involvement, securing sufficient funding remains a challenge. Financial viability and ROI concerns. Ensuring the financial viability and attractive return on investments for investors and financiers is challenging, especially for complex
and capital-intensive renewable projects. Grid integration and infrastructure challenges. Integrating renewable energy into the existing power grid poses technical challenges. Technological risks. The renewable energy sector is evolving rapidly, and projects may face technological risk associated with the use of innovative or cutting-edge technologies.
Slide it provides static on several renewable energy. The first section, titled ADFD Project in Developing Countries, show the data in blue font and feature a wind turbine and a recycling symbol image. The second section, Arena Project Facility, is described in a green font and includes an image of group of people. The third section, UAE Pacific Partnership, is shown in orange data and features an image of sun. The final section, UAE Caribbean Renewable Energy Fund, is illustrated in purple font and also has the image of sun. It shares that around 50 million US has been allocated of 16 projects. The last slide shows the visual of implementation of renewable project in UAE. There is more renewable projects in UAE, like the Shams one, is the biggest energy city in the world, and the Zaid Mosque, and the wind energy.